In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can safely remove an invoice you no longer need. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting an invoice permanently removes it from your sales list and standard reports. If you need to preserve a visible record for your books, consider whether voiding might be more appropriate. Also, you'll need the proper permissions in your QuickBooks Online company to delete sales transactions. Begin by going to QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're signed in and on the dashboard, they'll look to the left-hand navigation. Hover your mouse over the Sales and Get Paid section. Depending on your version, this area may simply read Sales or Get Paid in Pay, but the options inside are the same idea. Hovering reveals more tools related to your customers and revenue. Next, click on Invoices. This opens your full invoice list where you can filter, sort, and search. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct company file and date range, and make sure the invoice you plan to remove isn't needed for reconciliation or tax purposes. It's a good habit to double-check the customer name, invoice number, and status here so you're absolutely certain you're removing the right one. Now click on the invoice you want to delete to open it. In many tutorials, this is shown as a sample invoice, but in your account, it will be the actual invoice you intend to remove. Review the details one last time on the invoice screen. If you see any applied payments, credits, or deposits, be aware that those relationships can affect whether the invoice can be deleted. Look for the drop-down or More Actions menu on the invoice page. This is typically near the top or bottom of the form, grouped with other options like print or copy. Click to open that menu and then choose Delete. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm because this action can't be undone from the invoice list. When the confirmation message appears, click Delete again to finalize. The invoice will be removed from your active list. If you refresh the invoices screen or return to your sales overview, you'll see that the invoice no longer appears. While the transaction itself is gone, administrators can still see an entry in the audit log showing that it was deleted, which can be useful for record keeping. That's it. Sales and Get Paid, Invoices, open the invoice, drop down, delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.